Hello everybody, my name is Seller and today I'm going to show our very own psychologist our cancel stigma hoodies and she's going to tell us what she thinks as a psychologist. The first one is cancel stigma work in progress. What meaning can you draw from this?
Therapy takes time.
That's the correct answer and she gets 5 points and this hoodie.
Do I actually get to take it
No.
home? Stealing this, guys. I really like it.
Now if
I like
theft...
the color and I like the patch. So I've decided that I'm going to steal this and take it home.
So one thing that we have to mention is theft is a possibility. If you cannot buy it, you should try to steal it. You know, cancel stigma. People say thieves are so mean, they're evil. Cancel the stigma that calls them evil. Ask me why I am a green flag. So people can ask you and you don't have to justify yourself. Particular.
Actually, quite refreshing. You know, everyone keeps talking about the toxicity and the red flags. Yeah, talk to me about the good things as well.
Yeah, so the idea is not to talk about it. It's just to wear it.
Oh yeah, it says don't ask me shit.
Yeah, so red flags are very welcome to wear this. Manipulation is a great tactic you can use. Next hoodie. So it says therapy club. Would you wear this?
Sure, but then won't people just keep asking me about therapy? Like, I'm also a person outside therapy, so probably not for me.
So how often do people ask you about therapy?
Do you know how much time you ask me about therapy?
Next hoodie. Unfortunately, we don't have any more hoodies. So this ends this section with our psychologist, Snigdha.
Cancel stigma keychains. Most valuable ones. One of 70 only. These are our cute little batches because we are in school. Of course. And then, yeah, it's very cute. It's like, you know, that class monitor badge that you get.
Yeah.
You know, in my previous school, I had a first rank badge.
We had a student of the week badge.
Oh,
दीदी आपको लगता है ये हो पाएगा?
क्या भैया?
ये पूरा ऑफिस बन पाएगा आपको लगता है?
बनेगा नहीं?
What do you think?
दीदी बना रही है यार. देखो दीदी साफ कर रही है.
Who else here is hard at work?
I think Afeez is hard at work. Our manager.
Why is office not ready, bro? Huh? Welcome to the Cancel Stigma launch event. It's a full house. Why is there water in this? What the fuck? Gopika, why is there water in this? I'm being manipulated into not being an alcoholic. Come, let me show you our merch. And let me tell you why you should buy them. You can buy this grey one. The green one, the black hoodie was modeled after the heart of my ex. My favorite is the plants. The plants are my favorite because they're artificial, just like me. They don't need watering. I am dehydrated most of the time. So are these fake plants. Sandana's recording this. I just want to be funny, man. Hey, yo, whoa. Come. Say cancel stigma.
Cancel stigma.
That's right, motherfuckers, get this shit. There are candles here in case your boyfriend decides to fart so bad that it stinks up the room. It's called Almost Home to remind you of that feeling that you're almost home. It's not exactly home. It's almost home. It could have been fully home. But then who likes home, you know? Bartan kyun nahi dhoya? Mummy, yaar. I have hoodies to sell. We have a journal too. The fun fact about these journals is they're made of paper. And when something is made of paper, it's easy to burn. So the candle is kept right here. In case people don't like the journal, they can set this on fire. They have full permission to do so also. Caps. Oh my god, I love these caps. Look at the Cancel Stigma blue cap. It's very blue. Therapy club. And Rocket Health does primarily therapy. You might want to join therapy club to let people know. Mindful and self-aware. You people are in my immediate vicinity. So I have to talk to you. 3, 2, 1.
Cancel stigma.
Okay. You did that wrong. You have to time it perfectly, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Cancel stigma.
You said that too soon. It has to be timed perfectly.
Very nice, yeah.
What is your favorite stigma? Name 3 stigmas.
Men.
What is your favorite stigma to cancel?
Men don't have emotions.
Men don't have emotions. It's the biggest stigma that we have to cancel because men have so many emotions that we have to bury with pizza and buying Travis Scott tickets. Tell me, how was your Travis Scott ticket buying experience? Your least favorite stigma to cancel?
To cancel?
ये स्टिग्मा अगर रहेगा चलेगा.
I don't think such a thing exists.
That's right. Cancel all stigmas. Inclusivity should be in excluding the stigmas you're cancelling also. Multi-layered sentence. Which one do you like the most?
Green flag.
Green flag. Green flag, fan favorite hoodie. Everyone loves those. What else do you like? Caps, mein, journals. You like the caps?
Yeah,
Which
the-
cap?
Though, thank you for asking about my mental health cap.
The green one.
Yeah.
Interesting. What about the red one that says therapy club?
It's cool. It's cool. I like how it looks.
Ruk jao. Squat. Now squat more. You got to squat more. You got to engage your lower. Good. What do you feel about this event that we're currently a part of?
I think it's really great. I love all the appearance we have over there, and the journal also looks great. The food is good. The crowd is good. I think I'm getting to network with a lot of people. I think it was one of the best events Rocket Health has had as of now.
Nice scripted answer. Now give me the real answer.
थोड़ी गर्मी लग
I haven't prepared shit. Whatever you hear is unfiltered raw. I have prepared the whole PPT. Yeah, I haven't even prepared the PPT. Guys, can I get your attention? Yeah, that got everyone's attention. Shut the fuck up. I'm very happy that all of you have gathered today. It was very last notice, I think, the event being put together and all. I think a few people from here are from Warehouse, right? I think I recognize a few faces. So we started this journey, I think, around 8-9 months back. So we already had a community going called Cancer Stigma. Right now we have close to 9,000 people on Discord. We've run a lot of offline events as well. So we've had this community going for a while, and the whole idea behind Rocket Health is not just to provide therapy, not just to provide sessions, it's to kind of cancel the stigma around mental health, normalizing and giving people a safe space to put forward these conversations, and that's how Cancer Stigma came forward as a community. Then the idea came that, okay, we can do something more in the community, but other than that, we also do journaling sessions, and we understood that there's no therapist guided sort of developed journal in India, or I think in the world itself. There's very few people who do it. And we felt like, we could do something that I won't speak much about Rocket Journal. Even though I did help out in production, most of it is Ritika. She'll come on later and talk about it. But yes, you put a lot of effort into that journal. I think that journal is the hero product here today.
I'm Ada Ritika, that our founder. I'm a marketing associate here. Rocket Journal is one of the first Cancer Stigma products we started with. It comes from a place where a lot of times it's very difficult for us to put our feelings into words. It's difficult for us to understand what's going on in our mind. So when we have a space where we can, check in with ourselves and we can visualize what you're feeling, we can get to where we want to, like better and faster. That's what Rocket Journal is. Essentially, it's to make your mental health journey a bit more personal to yourself. And yeah, so we built it with our designer Ritin.
So whatever Ritika said, same thing, but I think it was quite an iterative process because we were at it for months, and as someone who's like seen every page, I would say I didn't like really believe in journaling per se, but this is like a much holistic approach to journaling. So yeah, I'm quite glad that it's out there, it's physical, and you can like see it now. So I hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed making it. So yeah.
For Cancer Stigma, I just have to say one thing, like, this is the same Rocket Health team which developed it, so they were trying to do 2 gigs at once. So that's why like it's going slow, but it's coming out really good. So I'm really proud of the fact that this like small, scrappy team is able to like, produce like good quality products and amazing design. And for me, like honestly, guys, I've never done stuff like that, like doing a shoot, developing a product, like, creating like content around it. So this has all been done by a 5-6 person team. So for that, like, I'm really proud of.
I'm proud that they had no budget to do this, but they still pulled it out. For me, I feel like Cancer Stigma is more of, I really want like people to talk about mental health more. I feel like people go to therapy once in a while, but why not rep it more? We just want mental health to be cool, and that's all we want from our marketing team, from Rocket Health's perspective. That's it, guys.
So Cleo, what do you feel about this event? Cancer Stigma.